A couple of years ago, our teacher unveiled a mathematical marvel that still leaves me in awe: Pascal's triangle. This elegant structure from the mind of Blaise Pascal, born from the ceaseless ascension of a plus b, from the power of 0 to n, unfurls before our eyes. Although wielding it for powers beyond 10 might seem impractical, its charm is irresistible. So, I decided to capture this magic in Python code.
I came up with two renditions for my project: right triangle and isosceles triangle-like structures, and I knew that I could enlist the help of Bing as I still was unable to turn this project into reality. Here's a code for right triangle. I tweaked code a little bit, and sometimes I achieved some good results. The same happened in the isosceles triangle, and with every attempt to change a code, I felt that I was one line close to what I wanted to see. So I was trying to refine the code consistently, asking Bing for code that will solve these problems. I decided to tackle the problem head-on. I realized that the right triangle's structure was disrupted by the appearance of two-digit numbers. To rectify this, I devised an algorithm to adjust the alignment based on the number of digits. The result was astonishingly effective. I applied the same principle to the isosceles triangle, tweaking the code here and there. While it improved, it didn't quite hit the mark. Finally, it was time for the ultimate test. Here's the right triangle. Here's the isosceles triangle, even though it is definitely not isosceles, but still best among my all attempts. The code allows you to specify the number of rows you want. Remember, one row corresponds to the power of 0, 2 rows to the power of 1, and so on. So if you're looking at the power of 20, you should write there 21 rows. And remember, if you're dealing with huge numbers, you can customize the if statement's number of digits and spacing. And there you have it, right and isosceles triangles. I will put Python files down in the description. Feel free to use them. If you've cracked the code to perfect isosceles triangle, please share your wisdom in the comments.